Are we live? How you guys doing? Can you guys hear me? I believe we're live. I think we're good. How you guys doing? What's up, Silver, Tony, Dave, T13, VBA? Yeah, I'm trying to decide what poll to run. I guess the simple one. See if we can get 20 likes on this video. Let's see. 7 people in here. No, we're not back, but we're not dying. Are we still dying? What's up, Ansall? Try to get this all set up before we start going. And yet again, it depends on how many people show up, how long this is going to be. We've been dead lately. Let's see. Yeah, looking at, what are we looking at? Yeah, VVA, we went over this last night. It came back and it back tested the top of the triangle pattern, the 0.5. It bounced, and it's simply getting stuck right now at the 382 at 7, right at it. So just keep it that simple. It needs to get back over the 382 here and start going back up. It's above the 236 high to the low, so the bottom is technically in over 7, but 7.3 is the price right now, and then 8.2 would be bullish again. But a simple back test, I mean, it back tested so it can go up now, if it's gonna go up. Yeah, that's what we were talking about last night. Everyone's just kind of waiting around to see what's going to happen on the 20th. It's probably why no one's here, no one's buying. What's up, Antonio? How you doing, my man? But yeah, VBA, just a simple back test there. What is Bitcoin doing? I mean, there's nothing really to talk about, especially with no one here. Bitcoin's doing nothing at all. The only thing that's been moving is those virtual coins and what was it? I think that all them AI agent coins are the play right now. It's the only thing I see moving everywhere. You hope we go down to 85 to 88K level before the Trump pump. Running out of time. What's the 10th? So we got 10 days left, or 9 days now, really. 9 days until our fate is decided, huh? Is there anything? Let's see here. Yeah, I don't think anything's moving. Yeah, we're just dead in the water right now. Ondo. Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna look at. Hold on. Yeah, I was gonna look at Goldfinch because GFI was unlocking tokens right at 6 o'clock today. I wanted to see if it impacted the price at all. I think it was only 1%, so it's probably not going to do anything to the price. Not really. It's still trying to hold where it is. Come on. We got 12 people in here. Let's see how many people voted. 7 votes. That's so bullish. Damn. Just kind of wait around and see if anyone shows up. How you guys doing, by the way? Yeah, there's just nothing happening. How are the deck screener coins doing? Oh, yeah. Who's all here? Yeah, that's what I think I remember. 1% of the 10th of every month. So it's not going to really affect anything at all. Tony says Dusty. What is Dusty? Is that a coin? Dusty Diamond? Darnell, what's up? He's in a snowstorm headed home. Be careful. Yeah, the snow all melted away today. The sun peeked its head out for a minute, for a little bit, and it's all gone. But for you guys that are here, I don't know if you know, but we always look at Soul Orty. So apparently Soul Orty, hopefully it's going to wait for me to get in, but Soul Orty is rebranding right now. They got a new dev, they're rebranding. So maybe this thing's going to come back alive. Maybe it'll wait for me and it'll come back alive. But I actually had the new dev of the Soul Orty get in contact with me on Twitter. So that was surprising. I guess I'm the only person that's ever done an update on it. I don't know. But as soon as he's done rebranding, he's going to shoot me another message and I'll go take a better look at it and do a good update. But at least something interesting happened. And all this death and nothing. I mean, we're just sitting here. We're not doing anything. Ohio weather sucks, yeah. I don't like being up north. I'm ready to go back down south. I miss South Texas. Where's the new list at? What we're looking at? Solnick. Oh yeah, this one here is still running. Casper's going to 0. Oh, Oh, this one made a new low. So how's Vara holding up? She's holding. Velo here looking strong. Win made a new low. Win's done. Oh man, Dog with Hat is dying too. Maybe only a 30-minute stream. There ain't nothing to talk about. There ain't no one here. He says, yeah, they got a new project lead. Yeah, I thought that was interesting that he messaged me. But yeah, hopefully they do turn things around there so I can gamble on it and make some money. Let's see here. So is there anything pumping? Anything doing anything? Virtuals, protocol. Yeah, this music is annoying. It's loud. Turn that down. Yeah, these next 9 days are going to be brutal. Because I actually don't think we're doing anything. I think everyone's actually waiting to see what's going to happen. In the meantime, we just die. Mog is coming down to support. Probably going to break it. Boba Network. Boba Network may be putting in the bottom right now. Turbo. Yeah, I didn't know Turbo was... So Turbo was launched off of the Aurora blockchain. I didn't know that until I looked into it today. Volt Inu. Yeah, I know these big Twitter influencers like Volt Inu. Is Volt Inu gonna run? This thing's sitting right on support, about to die. What's up, Slava? How you doing, my man? There's nothing happening. There's no one here again. Nothing's happening. Like I was just telling these guys if you just got here. The only thing interesting that happened today was the new lead, the new dev of Sol Ordi, the coin we look at all the time, the Solana coin. He actually messaged me on Twitter. Got in contact with me. ABT, Arc Block. I haven't looked at Arc Block all day. Is it still holding up? I would imagine Arc Block and Pangolin are still holding. Yeah, we're still holding good here. And this is what I mentioned the other day. It could even come down and break. You know, make a lower low here, but at some point I think it's going to go right back up as long as it stays over this 786 here. 117. If it dips below, so be it, but It doesn't matter. I can't get in on ABT anyway. So it's either going to die or go before I get. Because if we actually do pump on the 20th or maybe right before, I mean, we'll see what happens. But yeah, ABT's in a good spot. 117 to 122, as long as you're above that level, there's hope. Yeah, I think so too. I think Arcbox, it's getting ready. I don't know, can we, what is it? Yeah, I guess this is weekly candle, 2 days left. A new candle spawns in. We may actually go up on the 20th. Yeah, so AI tech here is holding up right on the bottom, needs to go up. AIT protocol made a new low. What is SEI doing? SEI didn't break down, did it? No, SEI still holding, barely. Yeah, we got to get a bounce already, because this is what I said. I think it was last night. If I had the money, I'd put it in on SEI and what is it? ABT and FET. Oh, and Velo. Velo looks like a cannon ready to explode. Antonio, what's up? He says nice. ABT trying to get out of the dump. 10 days and 10 days of waiting. War in the Middle East breaking out. That's why the market is shell-shocked. Or shellacked. I don't know why I said shell-shocked. Yep. Trump is holding up the bull run, huh? What's up, Matthew? Give us what you got, man. We have nothing to talk about here. A new coin on base, he says. It's going to make him rich. Oh, I'm ready for these. I'm not even in the market, and I'm ready for this to be over with. I'll just catch something on a green candle. I'll just be one of those that chases a large green candle and just hopes that it continues to go. Markets will start moving on the 17th, the 20th, and beyond. Yeah, Matthew's gonna have to spoon feed me something when I get my check on the 21st. Something that's gonna pump quickly. Yeah, did we look at that land coin? Did we ever find the chart? I don't remember. Doesn't appear the Trump coins are doing anything. I could have swore we looked at that land. I don't even know what it was called. What was it called? So G70 said, let's chase pumps. VE veal pump today. What is that? Yeah, I don't remember what the land one was. Veal, however you say this one, Mexi coin. Maybe I'm looking at the wrong one. Yeah, it pumped up 2%. It's probably not the one you're talking about, but I don't know what this is. Doesn't matter to Mexi coin only, so no one can buy it. Cloudland. Okay, yeah, that was it. It must be deck screener then. Yeah, Dennis, the one you just said. I think that's an NFT collection. There's some kind of dumb duck. There's an NFT collection of those. Cloudland and Veal on deck screener. Yeah, which one you talking about? That looks legit. Alright, let me get over here on deck screener real quick. At least we'll get something to look at for a moment. Cloudland and Veal. Oh yeah, now I remember. She's still holding up. She got over the 382, got above the both resistance levels, so you're sitting pretty over 5063 on Cloudland here. Cloudland, and she's pulling back, strong little move. Looks to be in a little bullish falling wedge type of a pattern here. Yeah, Cloudland looks like it's ready to run. Veal. Let's see. Veal on base, I guess is what this is. Yeah. Did you buy this one? Is what you got to buy in when it came out and it just goes sideways like this and forms the bottom. And she already spiked up. So is that the ticket? Is that the play? Do I just need to get on base? Get a couple $100 on base and just gamble? Yeah, this one's sitting right on the 382 at 20. She's bullish. New high for this one is a 2x, and then we'll just take it from there. Man. Is Myro dying? Eek, Myro looks horrible. Yeah, Cloudland to the moon. Yep. Let me see. What are you guys saying? Oh, it's on ETH. Yeah, they come out with everything. Yeah, whatever this is has a very bullish looking chart. She's about to go up again. Yeah, you're sitting right on the 2272 after this little curl up. Same thing you did back here. So this one is about to go. Potentially another 3.5x coming up soon. As long as you hold over that 17.2 level, this one's about to start running, it looks like. Oh yeah, this Griffin coin was running today. Bought the dip after the spike, not the bottom, unfortunately. Destra will be $1, no doubt, in my opinion. What is Destra? Desync. Yeah, I know we've looked at Desync before. Well, I thought we did. Oh, that's the same coin you're talking about. So are the plays the coins that launched in 2024? Anything before that's just not gonna do anything? Yeah, because this chart looks real good. A brand new chart. It's making higher highs and it's curled up here. Yeah, this thing to $1 looks possible. It's really not all that far away. I don't know why I pulled that up. Oh yeah, $1.50 is very possible. Are we still live? I can't see what's going on. We're stuck here. Got 20 people in here. Can we get 21? Oh, SUKU still looks terrible. Yeah, there's nothing bullish on SUKU right now at all. open custody is about to go back up. If it's ever going to go up, it has to go now. There was someone asking for open custody. I don't remember who it was. It's now or never. So I need to find these AI agent coins, huh? Look like DeFi AI. Yeah, I did a what's up, Babylon? Babylon Dawn in the house. He says drop a like when you ask for a coin for a crypto. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I did an update on Polyswarm on the channel, but it's looking good. She's holding up pretty much. I mean, let me see. Yeah, in the update I did mention though that, let's see here, just go out to the weekly. I mean, we're back over all the resistance, back over the 786 here. We're moved up since I looked at it just a couple hours ago. Yeah, if this thing can get over 6, it should send you back up to 8.6 here. So this thing's either going to continue to climb and hold up here, or wherever it's going to be, and hold this trend that it got back over. Or there's always the chance that we have this trend in play. It just made the new higher high, just like it did back here, and then it just came all the way back down to the trend. So if this thing breaks down below 6.4 and then the 6.1832 here at 4.5, and we're coming down like this, then that's pretty much going to tell you, at least for Polyswarm, probably the whole market, we're not going up till summertime. Because for this thing to crawl around here on these weekly candles and then finally come all the way down here, you know, where it's going to be 3 to wherever it's going to be, and then hit and finally go up. That's like in May, June, or July. Unless it's in one large candle down. I doubt that'll happen, but it looks strong at the moment. And then I did an update on Cookie. This one I saw trending everywhere, so. But this is what we need to find. This thing is having its own little bull run right now. So who knew about Cookie Dow down here at the bottom when it was going sideways? Hold on. But yeah, whoever knew about Cookie Down and what it was, apparently it has something to do with AI agents. Yeah, this thing just 40x'd out of nowhere. And it's potentially about to do another 6x out of here. Heading to $1 billion market cap. Oh, BVA's coming back down. She can't get through to 382. ABT is all AI agent plus more. Is it really? Yeah, I'm bullish on ABT where it is right now. Did you say Velo? So does ASM. When did Cookie come out anyway? 2024 coin. ASM doesn't look bad here. But these newer coins that are related with AI agents that are like a year old or newer, they're just going. Velodrome. Oh, Velo. I don't know if we looked at this last time, but I think we did. But you're breaking down here. You're now down below. Low, high, 618. You already got a 3-day candle close, a daily candle close below it. You're stuck. So if you can't get back up to 14, and there's a real good chance Velo here is coming all the way back down to the trend slowly. Same thing we went over with Polyswarm could happen. So it looks like death and sideways for Velo for the next couple of weeks. Unless it gets back over 14 and holds and bounces. It's a fat little red candle spawning in on it. Jeez. Let's see here. How many poll? 28 people voted. What are we looking at? Oh, Velo. This is, I guess, another example. It's either got to be the bottom, because Velo needs to hold up here, Velodrome. It needs to bounce here and go back up. Oh, that marker. Yeah, it doesn't look like it wants to at the moment, though. I guess, yeah, if it stays below 14 here, then it's going to drop about 25%. Oh, Velo. I really like the Velo chart. UFO Gaming, I forgot about them. Nothing bullish on that one. So whatever happened to the Sin? I know we look at it every time, but oh, that was it. Yeah. If it holds up, it could be a real good play here. Over 45. Let's see here. 40 minutes in. We at least got to make an hour. Polyswarm about to make a new high. What's up? We got a second Matthew in the house. How's it going, my man? He said thoughts on 00 token. Kenji says KRL. What's up, Elixio? 0, and we haven't looked at that one in a while. I think the last time I did an update on this one, people were bearish on it. Someone commented on the video, this coin sucks. It's never going up. Let's see. I mean, it looks like everything else here. I haven't updated this chart in forever. I don't even know what the all-time high was. Yeah, these aren't going to be correct at all. So 0 token here, higher highs, higher lows. It's curled up. It's right on the. Let's see if there's some. Yeah, you got bullish hidden divergence here on this one too. Mostly everything on the 3-day chart that we've been looking at that's on support. A clear trend in play here, not going to be perfect. And then the higher low. And of course you see the stock RSI down there made a lower high, or a lower low rather. So we do have that bullish divergence. So this thing should be getting ready to bounce. So over 4, that's exactly where you are right now. It's time to go up and make a higher high. So yet another example that we need to get it going already, because this thing's about to make a 150% move. To complete the mission there, to make the higher high, as long as you can hold 4, back over 5.5, you're bullish again. But you're pretty much holding the 618 support. Right on the trend, and looks good here to me. Dang it. But as for how high it's going, I would have to go do the chart and market caps and all that stuff. Let's just see what the multiplier tells us. 0 token, 618 retracement in a bull market 2025 would be an 8.5x, up to 35 cents. And then if this thing's going to hit 70 cents, 786 retracement, 16.5x from where you are today. Potentially about to get a nice bounce off of the bottom there. Like I said, I have no idea what the target is for this thing, what people say, if anybody even talks about it. $5 to get you 120x. KRL. But there's a coin that no one ever talks about, and if it does 100x, then we're all rich, no matter what you buy. KRL, what is this one doing? Hold on, let me see. I don't even know if you guys are still here. Alright, we're still live. Yeah, didn't they send Chill Guy to 0? Yeah, did you guys know you can go here on TradingView and look at different charts by, what is it? Lunar Crush and stuff. You can see how many wells are holding, how many retailers are holding. I didn't realize that till today. KRL, we're looking at it. Let's see here. We got Eldor for 5. I appreciate that, my man. First super chat. Appreciate that. Virtual Protocol. Sub Flip Coins. Donald Trump by Virtual still holding strong. All right, let me look at KRL real quick. KRL, what are we doing here? It's going completely sideways on the weekly. Looks like it's trying to repeat history and just die. So you're down below the 0.5, but you're above the 382. So as long as you're above 46 or 47 here, you're still considered bullish, I guess. Let's see the 3-day. Yeah, I guess you could say there's bullish divergence here. It's already moving up, but from here, higher high, lower low. So you do have that hidden bullish divergence. You could argue there's a pattern here. Just not the best looking pattern or the best looking chart. This one's been around for a while. So 47, you're bullish, back over the 618 if you can ever get there. If you break out of this pattern upside and get over 80, then that will confirm the breakout. But it looks like last time you got stuck at the 786 here. Let me zoom this out so we can see. But it is still making lower highs, so once it finally breaks over 1 and then breaks this high back here, then you'll be in good shape. If it's going to run up to these higher targets here. And just keep it simple. The first target you need to worry about, if it's going to go past $1 and then $1.80, $2, 335 would be your target. 123 million market cap for a 6x. Yeah, this one has a lot of wicks all over it. That's what I don't like about it. Virtual protocol. What's up, Cha? Cha, welcome back to the Horde, my man. I appreciate that. Let's see. Virtual protocol. Why is that not ringing a bell? Oh, you mean virtuals? She's coming down, huh? It could be it. Same thing here, 3-day chart. You're making the higher high, but you're making a lower low on the RSI, stock RSI here. Every time it comes down here, it pumps right back up. So short term on virtual. You can see low to the high. Didn't quite hit it perfectly, but as long as you're above the 618, this thing could be getting ready to bounce. Especially, excuse me, depending on how you draw this, but there's a clear higher high and higher low scenario and trend in play here. So it looks like 287 is your support, and then you need to get back over 321 here. Yeah, but without picking at it too much, I mean, it's had this large pullback already, and you can clearly see what I mean by the overall chart here. I would just say any lower than, now that you're back down below the 2618, any lower than that 618, then that'll put in play coming all the way back down, more likely than not. And then this thing could be done for now. I don't know. It's a 44-45% drop. If it comes that low, then but like I said, on the smaller time frame, you just almost hit the 618, and you do have that hidden bullish divergence there. And if you want to go larger, this low to the high, 264. You'd stay bullish. But virtual's always bullish every day. Every other day she's going back up and the coins are running. Yeah, you got the same thing on the daily here too. That tells me I guess she's about to go up. Yep, bullish divergence, put in the longs. She's going. Let's see here. Did I miss anything? Let's see. Yeah, not a problem, Matthew. He says Godfather. Yeah, I did an XYO update today. It's not Godfather, though. What's up, Louise? He says Divergence. XYO. I'm trying to see if I missed anything. Virtuals. He wouldn't buy virtuals at this price. Yeah, I need to buy something that's on the bottom if I ever get back in. You have 500,000 tokens right now, although my crypto portfolio is spread. It's pretty widespread. Are we still on virtuals? What is virtual's market cap right now? Oh, let me get all this off. I can't even tell what's going on anymore. Oh, all the way to the top. It looks like it just wants to come to the top of the fib here. So 81, 80 bucks there. Because there's nothing really else you can draw. It came out and just started going. Another 26x to 80 bucks. More conservative price would be 24, 25 bucks and another 7.5x on virtuals here. If you can see that. But yeah, that other coin that we look at, if you want the new virtual potentially, they say it's supposed to be better. I don't know if that's the case, but I'll go look at XYO in just a moment. But this one here, we gotta go all the way down to the 4-hour chart, but this one just came out. It did the same thing that virtual did down here, and then it just took off, even though it came back to the high. But still, overall, the whole chart here is curled up. So this entire protocol could be the next virtual protocol. From what I hear, anyway. And it's still early to get in on this one. We looked at it right here, where that little white dot is, if you guys can see that. Right here is where we were looking at this thing, and it's going to break out. It broke out, it back tested, it's holding. I mean, if it's going to be the next virtual, this would be the perfect time. It just back tested, I guess. Not financial advice, of course. XYO. Yeah, I just did an update on it. I don't remember what I said earlier. Going completely sideways on XYO. We're on the daily. Yeah, just keep it simple. Low to the high. You have the same thing, the bullish hidden divergence here. You're on support 382 at 16. So as long as we hold over 16 with that divergence and where we are, maybe that's going to get us back through 618236 here and that previous trend. So back over 2.5 pennies is where we need to get. But any lower than it is now, then any lower than 16, then it's over. She's going to go a lot further down. But it is sitting on support. It did just make a higher high. That's the same thing we were saying on Velodrome. Are these things going to hold up, or are we going to have to build a new trend here? And they made a higher high, so now it's time to come back down and make the higher low once again. And then we'll go up at some point in the future. That's the big question right now, I guess. Let's see here. Yeah, where's XYO going? $1 for 50x. Let's see. He says check ACH spell Mog. Yeah, I did an Aurora update on the channel today, so you can go check that one out. I guess we'll scratch that one. LCX Turbo. LCX Turbo ACH spell. Yeah, last time we looked at ACH, there's nothing bullish on it on the overall macro, but I do believe ACH is hitting 50 to 60 cents this cycle. But you can see it's just been going sideways forever. It's done nothing. And you could argue one large triangle pattern, just like XRP and all these other coins that took off. So ACH is going to have its day. It's done nothing yet. Lower highs. I can't sit in this chair no more. Jeez. Down below the 382. But you can see the triangle's getting curled up here, or whatever you call it. Getting to the end of it if you draw the large triangle. ACH may pop out of here real good once it finally runs. 4 billion market cap, 50 cents for a 20x, 21x. And if it hits 60 cents, you're looking at about a 30x almost. Yeah, if you ever wanted to buy ACH, the time is now, I think. Let's see real quick. Oh, come on. Let's see, I'm just curious, does ACH have that 3-day candle divergence? I guess it does. Higher highs, and then from this point, and you can clearly see it's right here on the bottom. It's time to go up for ACH. Yeah, you're down below the 382 and the 0.5, so you just tagged the 618. It needs to get back over 2.3 to 2.5 here. But still holding structure, and that hidden divergence could tell you it's about to bounce. Spell's holding up. Why does this look like this? It's because I'm struggling. I gotta get out of this chair. Hold on. All right. Spell does not look bad here. It's simply sitting back over the trend that it broke. It's just a little ahead of Polyswarm. Polyswarm's in here. This one came all the way back down and it's holding. Well, I guess Polyswarm's holding too. But again, there's nothing bullish on Spell really. I mean, you're down below the 236. You're holding the trend. You're making lower highs. You're doing nothing. Someone said Spell's not going to make it this cycle. But Spell to a 618 retracement, possible in a bull market to 205 would get you a what? Almost 7x. And then if you think it's going to hit $1.5 billion market cap to a penny, 14.5x on Spell. LCX and Turbo. Oh yeah, someone said LCX and Turbo. Chill Guy. I think they killed Chill Guy. Yeah, Chill Guy's done. This thing is done. Low to the high, 1272 pretty much came into play. 12 pennies. Got a little bounce, but it made a lower low. I mean, if you wanted to gamble on Chill Guy, but this thing looks horrible. Jeez. Turbo's still pretty much holding up. It's going sideways. Come on. Trying to get this thing to load. Yeah, Turbo you can see clearly here. It's still holding the little trend. It's still holding. It's down below the 1272, that 86 level we've been watching forever, or 87 rather. But ultimately it's going sideways and holding the higher lows, not doing anything. Every time we look at Turbo, it's just doing nothing. Still over the 007 price. He's stressing too much. Let's see. You used to trade ACH. Just give your money to charity or do something good instead of buying Chill Guy, he says. Yeah, Chill Guy, I think it just looks done. And like I said, Turbo here is overall just doing nothing, holding up. And like I said earlier, I didn't know that Turbo was launched from the Aurora blockchain or whatever it's called. LCX is still holding up in our little pattern here. So on the weekly macro chart, it looks bullish here. This falling wedge bull flag pattern after the strong move up, but it is still just coming straight down. And then I think we were holding a level. I don't know if we're still holding that 382. We're right on it, I guess. Where's the wick? Yeah, I mean, as long as you're above the 618382, this is technically bullish, and maybe you'll get a bounce off of this. Oh, yeah, she's about to bounce. 21 and a half. Yet again, 3-day. You can see the hidden bullish divergence on this one, too. So we're getting to that point where we need to bounce, I think. He says it's the drop over. No way to answer that, but a lot of things are right there to where they need to go back up. I mean, that could even happen, 1 week or a couple of days. We get a nice bounce. Everything moves up 40, 50%. We're bullish again, and then we die again. But yeah, I mean, everything we're looking at, everything just seems like it needs to go back up. LCX there. Can't take no more of this. When will the selling stop? Same thing with Pangolin, PNG here. Been watching this thing forever do nothing, but it's still holding over 30. Yeah, Bitcoin dominance is still up. She's going back up. ETH isn't doing nothing. Dominance is still up. We're not going anywhere anytime soon. But all we want is a relief. You can see here on the monthly. Dominance is telling us no. It's at 58. Yeah, and Bitcoin's not doing anything. We're still just sitting here. I don't remember what we drew on the, what is this, the Coinbase chart? Yeah, bunch of rubbish. Well, Blocktopia's trying to hold up. Let's see. What is that? Moonboy says Sphinx. PHNIX. Have we looked at that one before? Yeah, Blocktopia. As bad as Blocktopia is, it's on the bottom too. You can see it's clearly holding the trend. It's on its final leg. The bull run needs to save Blocktopia, or she's going to go to a new low again. Phoenix on Mexi. I guess we've never looked at this one. This one? Rug Pull McGee here. What is this? Is the bottom end? 4-hour candles. Just came out, they pulled the rug on it. Yeah, if this is the one you're talking about, there's nothing bullish on the chart at all. It needs to establish some sort of a bottom and hold. Kind of like it did back here, just hold, but then it died. It needs to have the bottom confirmed in again. You can see it's getting stuck at every one, wherever you draw it. So it needs to get over 463 here. It's at 446 at the moment. to have any kind of confirmation of a bottom, or it's just going to continue to go down. And it's going to go quickly because this is the daily candles, or the 4-hour candles. ETH. He says use stop losses. Yeah. If you don't use stop losses, that's how you get wrecked big time. If you don't know how to do it, learn it, because it'll save you a lot of money. I know, because I used to be lazy, and I just thought something was going up, and I used to try to long and short on MEXC. Every time I would get liquidated. Oh yeah, Ethereum here is not looking too bad. You're in this very large ascending wedge pattern, if you will. It almost looks like the Velo chart. It's not really doing anything. We're coming back down. We're below the 786 on the macro. But the fact that you're getting stuck here and we're still making higher lows, same thing we saw in Bonk and a bunch of other cryptos. That just tells me that ETH is going to go up at some point. But the longer it stays in this pattern, I think the weaker it's going to get, because we saw that with Bonk. Bonk just kind of fizzled out. Low to the high on Ethereum. But yeah, until Ethereum breaks out, we're not doing anything. You're holding the 382 right now at 320 to stay bullish. But any lower than 320, then you're coming back down 618, and she's going to come down to 2700. Back to the trend. I'm going to drop 22%. If it does that on Ethereum, if we lose this support here and we come back down and we grind our way back, you know, we're not going up for a while. You get the idea. Whiff and big time are going to rocket. What are we expecting with the crypto market leading up to the 20th? Probably the same thing we're doing now, nothing. Weak coins are going to die. Other coins will just hold and sit there and do nothing. Nine more days of nothing. My channel really needs the market to take off here, because it's getting hit pretty hard right now. Revenue wise, watches wise. Yeah, Whiff is on its final leg, final support here. It's down below the 236, so let's keep it simple. Yeah, if it goes any lower than it is now, let me see. This is probably a 786 retracement. Yeah, you're right on the 786 here. So any lower than 147, she's coming down. So this has to be the bottom. Well, it doesn't have to be, but if it's not, yeah, because you're going to drop 40% here. 40% plus any lower than that last final support. But I guess yet again, another one. Whiff needs to bounce here. She's going to die 40%. And then Whiff, of course, 10 billion market cap, $10. 5.5x. If we hit 10 bucks, then what is that? 13x, or 20 bucks to a 20 billion market cap. But Whiff's going to perform good whenever we go. What did you say? Big time. Isn't that a game? Big time. Well, the only positive, I guess, is you're down below or you're above the 236 here. You just lost the 3-2 support. No longer bullish. So as long as you're below 3.9, let's see the 3-day chart. Yeah, it doesn't look good here. So as long as you're below pretty much 14, it looks like the price is coming back down to this support level. And if it's going to hold, do not know. It really needs to, but it's already starting to break down here. So another 14% drop to pretty much 11 pennies is your support. Just leave that there. 11 to 11 and a half. And then final support is 9.8. Yeah, we haven't done this one in forever because it has this old market cap on it. But if big time here hits a new 1272 possible new high, 219 would be a 17x. But if it's not going to perform well, a 4x to 50 cents. Oh yeah, that is right. Tomorrow is the weekend. Oh. AVT's trying to bounce. But yeah, I guess that's it. We'll leave it at that. A little better than last time, I guess. Let's see. Talked about a couple of different things than we did yesterday. A couple more people showed up today. Yeah, AVT's pushing up here. Yeah, see, ABT just bottomed out on the new trend after it broke the previous one we used to have here. So 272 is your price to hold. But yeah. Pretty much getting stuck though on the macro. If you look at it here, we drew a large box here. There's resistance all through here, one speck of support, and now we're back at that resistance again. Oh. I liked and subscribed. Appreciate your stuff. I appreciate you, my man. Gotcha. Did I say that right? Kacha. I appreciate that. Yeah, I guess I'll end the poll. How long we been on here? This cold weather's getting to me. Hour and a half, not bad. Like I said, there's no one here lately. The streams are dead. Revenue's dead. Super chats are dead. The market's dead. At some point we will be all undead, hopefully, and we'll make some money. 47 votes. I appreciate that. Yes, everyone, please hit the like button on your way out. We'll be back here tomorrow. We'll see what happens. Hopefully one of these days the market will wake up. And we'll finally make money. I want all you guys to make money. But I just need a bullish market right now so my channel will stay alive. On our road to 11,000 subs now, and there's no one in the streams. No one watching the videos. It's so bad. Oh. We need Trump to hurry up and do something. He's holding up the money train. All right, I appreciate you guys coming in here again. Everyone that wasn't here or everyone that's watching later, I appreciate you guys watching later. Appreciate you guys here now. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.